I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select Action Livestorm. Give here an API key, so please visit the Livestorm API token. Generate a token. Give here a meaningful name. Give here right permissions. Generate a token. Copy the API token. And paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an event. Choose a session. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Now go to the Livestorm site and go to People. Refresh the page. You can see the data came successfully in the Livestorm site. Thanks for watching.